The typewriter sat untouched in my late uncle's study, keys dust-laden and silent. That night, as I packed his things, the carriage rattled and a clattering echoed. Letters appeared, spelling, "Help me." My breath froze. Skeptical, I watched as the keys darted faster, forming, "He sees you." The desk lamp flickered. A cold presence pressed against my back. The typewriter screamed, "Run!" I turned, but the door slammed shut. Shadows twisted from the corners, whispering my name. The final message banged out. Too late. The typewriter's keys bled red. Darkness swallowed the room. I never left.